Hi, I'm Steve, and I'm going to talk today about how to choose a replacement wheel for your roller hockey skates. Now, with roller hockey skates, it's very important that you replace the wheels with the same size wheels that are on there, because the skate is typically made for a specific wheel arrangement. And each wheel could be a different size, so you want to look at each wheel. There could be as many as 3 different size wheels on a skate. So you want to look closely at what is the millimeter. There's 2 numbers on a wheel, so you have to be careful here. You want the millimeter size of the wheel. Typically, roller hockey wheels for an adult skate will be either a 72, 76, or 80 millimeter. For kid skates, they can be a 59 millimeter, possibly a 64 or 68, and possibly a 72. So pick out which are the right size and replace exactly that size. The next thing you have to decide is, are you going to use your skates for indoor or outdoor use? For indoor use, you want a softer wheel, because softer wheels are more grippy. Indoors, you're typically playing on a sport court or wood floor where it's very slippery, and you need your skates to stick on that floor. Softer wheels are measured in in durometer. The softer wheels are lower durometer, typically from a 72, which is a really soft wheel, up to about a 76 is the range for an indoor wheel. 72 wheels are even going to be softer and stickier. 76 just a little bit harder. Higher weight may want to go with a little higher wheel so the wheels don't be too soft and flatten too much. If you're going with an outdoor wheel, then you're going to want a wheel that is typically 80, 82, or 84 durometer, because the outdoor surfaces will chunk up an indoor wheel really quickly and wear it out. Plus, you're not going to need it to be quite so soft. You need it to be a little bit firmer to hold onto that surface. If you're looking for sort of an all-purpose wheel, then you can buy a wheel that's in between, which would be a 78 or an 80 durometer wheel. But because it's an all-purpose wheel, it's a little too hard for the indoor and a little too soft for the outdoor. So if you're going to buy replacement wheels, you typically want to buy for the purpose you're using your skates for. If you're going to use them for both, the best thing would be to buy an indoor set and an outdoor set of wheels. Now, in the indoor wheels, there's one other thing you want to know about, and that is what's called a dual pour wheel or a dual durometer wheel. As you go up in price, what you're typically getting in a wheel is more durability. And the way the durability works is that a really soft wheel grips really well, but it also can distort because you're stopping and starting and you're putting a lot of weight on it. And so sometimes that reduces the performance of the skates and offsets the stickiness. So in order to solve that problem, the manufacturers have come out with a wheel where they pour an inner wheel and an outer wheel, and you may be able to see that on the camera here. The inner wheel is a harder durometer, which keeps the wheel's integrity or size and shape, and the outer material is that soft material, which is the material that comes in contact with the surface, allowing the skate to have the wheel to have the best of both worlds, meaning firmness to keep the wheel in shape, but softness to grip the pavement. So decide whether you want an indoor or an outdoor wheel, and if you can afford it, buy a dual durometer wheel. That'll give you the best performance.